Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to screen record using the snipping tool on Windows 11. Yes, you heard that right. The snipping tool now records your screen. First, open the snipping tool. Just hit the Start menu and type Snipping Tool, then click it to launch. Next, switch to the Record tab right next to Snip. If you don't see this option, make sure your Windows 11 is fully updated. Now click on New. Once you click it, your mouse cursor changes to a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to record. To capture the full screen, position the crosshair in one corner and drag it diagonally to the opposite corner. Click the Start Record button to start recording. Do your thing, whether it's showing how to use an app or recording a quick tutorial, and when you're done, just hit the Stop button. After you stop recording, a playback window will appear. Click the Play button to preview your recording. When you're finished, close the playback window by clicking the X icon in the title bar. If you want to save the recording to a specific location, click the Save As icon on the top bar of the playback window. And that's it. You now know how to screen record with the snipping tool in Windows 11. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips.